everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6, maybe. If you guys don't know, I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram for Vlogmas, so that will be under this post right here. Make sure you go enter it. So you can enter once by tagging your friends, and then another time every single Vlogmas video, so an extra time every single day of Vlogmas, by commenting the secret emoji. So in this video, it'll be right here. You're gonna go comment this on this post, and then you'll be entered to win an extra time. Anyway guys, we're going to the movies alone. I need to get ready. I'm taking myself on a date. So I want to go see the Hunger Games movie that just came out. I've been wanting to see it really bad, and I don't know anyone that would want to see it with me. So I'm just going alone. I also have a little pimple patch on. We're just gonna leave her on. I've never been to the movies alone. I'm kind of nervous because who cares? You can go to the movies alone. Nobody needs to go with you. But also, nobody wants to go with me. I've just really been wanting to see this movie. I'm such a Hunger Games nerd. I've read all the books in high school, and then I recently just read this book. I don't even know how you say it. Ballad? Song and Sing Birds? I don't even know the name of the movie, to be honest, or the book. But I read the book a couple months ago. I didn't even know they were making it into a movie. I didn't know there was a fourth book for the longest, and then I saw, I think on TikTok, that there was a fourth book. I was like, oh my god, I have to read it. I loved the Hunger Games in high school. Like, I remember going to the movie premieres at midnight. I remember reading all the books and being obsessed with them. So when I found out there was a fourth book, I was like, I need to go read the fourth book. And then I found out they were making it into a movie, and I was like, you're fucking lying. I need to go see it. And I realized not everyone loves the Hunger Games like I do. That's what we're gonna do today. I just bought my ticket, and it's a Regal luxury cinema. I don't really know what that means. Yeah, it has the reclining chairs and all that. I don't know. I'm excited. I don't know. I just always will feel naked if I don't have eyelashes on. But they're good compared to that. Okay, let me finish getting ready. I'll talk to you guys right before I leave. Okay, don't mind my messy room behind me. We're gonna clean that later. But she's ready, and my face looks so pale because I tan my body, not my face, with self-tan. And then normally my foundation makes it fit, but I don't have foundation on. But the eyelashes look good. Like, sometimes I've been forgetting I have eyelashes. The way they look, they just look better with eyelashes. But that's me, fake eyelashes. I didn't feel like doing my hair. I was gonna do a bun, but I decided to do this little headband so I could be nice and comfortable in the chair. Because sometimes buns, you know, like hit the back. So this is just, my hair's been braided in like 2 loose braids at night, so it's just like a little bit done. And then the outfit, we want to be super comfy because obviously we're going to see a movie. I did add little gold hoops though. And yeah, so this I got also in New York. It just says Manhattan, whatever. I got this at Primark. If you watched my haul, you saw that. And then I just have black leggings, and I'm gonna wear my little slides. I should probably go so I'm not late, and I will talk to you guys after. I'll try to vlog there. Obviously can't vlog during the movie, but do a little montage moment maybe. Okay, we're here. I don't know why I'm nervous. It's fine. We're a big girl. Let's go. I'm home. I look sleepy. I am sleepy. Such a good movie. Just to recap, it was so good. I won't give any spoilers away, but everyone should go watch it. It was so good. High expectations for it because the Hunger Games movies are amazing, so I kind of knew this was gonna be good. But yeah, oh, I just love reading a book and then you go watch the movie and it's like what you envisioned in your head. Like, that's how I felt about it. Me going by myself was fine. I don't know why I was so nervous. I actually feel like that's the place to go if you're gonna go do something by yourself. Like, I think I would have a hard time sitting down at a restaurant and eating alone, but like the movies is great because you don't really have to socialize with anyone to make it like awkward that you're by yourself, I guess. But funny story, this is like just Marissa things. I go, and I guess it was like a luxury Regal, which I saw online when I was booking it, and I was like, I don't really know the difference. I think it's probably ones with reclining chairs, which it was, so it was like a good experience. They also had like a bar in there, so I don't know if that was like part of the luxury part. I don't really know. I haven't been to the movies in forever, so like I don't even know what's normal. Online, you pick out your seat, and I was like, oh, it's like assigned seating. But then I get in there, and I can't can't figure out what row is what. So I just sat in my number and I was like, I don't think this is the right row. And then this little cute old couple come, they're like, and I hear them, they're like walking towards me and they go, oh, someone's in our seat. And I was like, oh my God, am I in your seat? I'm so sorry. And they're like, yeah, like I was like, I'm sorry, I've never been to one of these. She's like, yeah, it's like assigned. I was like, how do you find the row number or letter, whatever? It's like lettered rows. She's like, oh my God, your seat's over here. So yeah, the little cute lady was super nice, but I was stealing their seat on accident because I guess I don't know how to go to the movies anymore. Where I've never been to a movies like that where it's like assigned seating. It's just me embarrassing myself. As always, I think we're just going to have a little cleaning night because it's only 6, but now it's so dark out by 6. I like feel tired already. You want to have a cleaning day? Okay, so yeah, so I still have unpacking to do from New York City, so I'm gonna unpack and do laundry and then probably just clean. Okay guys, recap. I didn't end up cleaning last night. I ended up going to bed. World's laziest day last night. So it is now the next day and we are finishing finishing up some laundry. So this is all my clean laundry that needs folded. But yeah, so we're just gonna fold some laundry together. Sorry this vlog is lame. I literally said, let me take myself out on a movie date and go and clean. And if that's not the most grandma type of vibes you've ever heard, but that's what we're on, guys. I'm 26 now and I guess I'm on grandma vibes. I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Okay guys, so I'm gonna hang all this laundry up and then I have about 5 more loads to go, but I don't know that we're doing all of that tonight. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. It's a little taking myself to the movies date / Sunday reset on a Friday. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will literally see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Peace out.